Sasquatch Outdoors, and the outdoors we are hitting up today is going to be Last Mountain Lake, the north end. So I know I said Diefenbaker last time. I did get there. I'll throw in a little clip. We just got one whitefish. So fishing was cut short. I had the kids with me, and they just were not into fishing. It was too slow for them. They're a little bit more entertained when we're catching. But anyways, it wasn't a complete loss. I got some good graphing done in the big fill in the south end, so that was a success. And but anyways, that's over and done with. We are going to Last Mountain, so I'm going to show you the spots where we're going to fish. So spot number one is Big Arm. It is just kind of east of Liberty. If you're going to launch just from here, Triple T Beach is where you want to go. And yeah, so this bay comes in from the main lake and it goes way back, and it gets really shallow in these long fingers off the back end. So I don't know how far back we're gonna go. I remember like even past the bridge, I used to get in here with my small boat, which is why I know these creeks. I used to have a little small fiberglass boat. So if that's how you fish, these places are awesome for that, especially in the springtime. There could be some honker fish in here. They're huge. Last Mountain Lake is a good lake for big walleye, if you can find them. So they are in here in the spring, 100%. So anyways, I'm meeting up with Dale. We're doing an overnighter. It's gonna be awesome. I don't even care if I catch a fish. I'm stoked. Stay tuned. All right, so we made it into the bay, and the wind is atrocious. So we found a big gravel, rocky flat right here. So we tucked it in up shore just to get out of the wind for a bit. Dale just had one. You can see it jumping on his hook there, and I'm gonna get casting and see if I can catch it on him. Oh, there's a deer right behind us. He was out of the wind too. Poor guy. Come back. We're not hunting. Come on, Dale. Got something there. This is working. We got a little pike or something, or is it gonna be a? Oh yeah, a little shark.
Oh, he's got. Oh, that's a crank.
Yeah. There you go. Oh, now we know what was in there. Oh, I do go. Oh, yeah. What do we got here, Dale?
Oh, you got a piker.
It's got some weight, man. It's just. It's moving. There she goes. This thing's gonna. Do you want to get that net ready? This thing's got some weight. See the little dirt trails it's putting up. Man, this landscape mode on the Mega Live is so cool. I saw that thing and pitched right on it. The only thing is if it's a pike, I don't have a leader on here. So hopefully it's just got hooked. Hooked good. Oh, is that a big Walter? That could be a hog of a walleye, Dale. I thought I saw walleye fin there. Did you see that? Just when it dipped there. Gotta be careful here, oh. Yeah, another one right there. That's another one. Because this one's way out there.
Tire him out. We got all day.
Well, I only got 10-pound fluoro on here, so I don't want to get too crazy with it. Whatever it is, it's big. Oh, there's another one right there too. Oh man. My light's on, hey? On my GoPro?
Yep.
Perfect. Wonder if I can, you could probably watch this on here. Yeah, you see him? Right there. Did I snag a carp?
I think you.
I think I snagged a carp. No, no, that might be another one there.
A different fit. Yeah,
Oh,
you
I did snag a carp.
Oh.
Ah, wah wah. Well, that explains the tall fin on the back I saw. I got him right through the fin. That thing's huge though, look at that. Here, why don't you go to the front of the boat and I'll try and pull him over to you there. He's a monster.
Didn't like that.
That's why he's got some fight in him. That is a big, big, big carp. Holy smokes. I want him to get, hopefully, oh, he's gonna pop right up. Yeah, there we go. Oh, perfect. I'm gonna pop that out quick. Yeah. Pop that out there. Oh, man. That thing's huge. All right, bring him in. Don't break the net. Here,
Take out my back is what I'll do.
That is the biggest carp I've ever seen. Holy smokes.
Wow. I'm gonna lose my phone on that one.
Oh man. This thing is a monster. It is so slippery. I don't even know how to hold this thing. I feel bad. I gotta just get her out of here. Holy Dinah. Okay, take a quick pick because it's slimy and it's going out.
Okay, okay. Got it.
Oh man.
Oh yeah.
Well, that was entertaining.
It was.
Snag a carp. Oh man, that was huge. Oh, another little blue shark. Well, the same size as the last one. Oh, he's kind of got that deep, eh? Yeah, I got some pliers right there. Finally. Think it's gonna be a pike?
Yep.
Not shaky like a pike. We'll have a little bit of weight to it. It's coming in like a walleye. Looking like a walleye. It's a walleye. It's a good one.
Yep.
Real good one.
Nice.
Here, gotta That's probably over 25 for sure.
There we go. Now we're just gonna scoot right across.
Yeah. Nice. Well, I guess we know how to catch them now. Hey?
What's that?
Guess we know how to catch them now.
Well, you anyways.
Well, you hooked up too, though.
Yeah, it's true now. Yes. He played with you for a bit?
Yeah, he nipped a couple times there. Let's do that again. Should have measured that thing, but I don't even think I brought my measuring tape.
I took mine out of it, but really.
Oh, there's a walleye. I don't think I'll need the net for this one. Oh, yeah, maybe. A little bigger than I thought. Yeah, maybe about 20 incher, 21, 2. I'm gonna say 21. Bye-bye. Found him now.
Got maybe a spot, huh?
I think we got a spot. A strategy, I'd say. I think we got a strategy. Did you lose it again? No. Yeah. So we got some showers coming in, so this one's rolling this way. So we're just gonna sit and eat some chips and wait for it to pass because we gotta go right where it is. So we got lucky though. There's a lot of these today, and this is the first time we kind of had to get up and move. We probably would have been fine if we would have just stayed in the bay.
And stayed fishing.
Yeah, should have just kept fishing. All right, here we are, day 2. So what happened yesterday is we got into Big Arm, cast it around. It was pretty challenging with the wind, trying to hit him with the Mega Live. The boat was just kind of swaying a bunch when you're spot locked or even anchored. So anyways, threw some little bit of everything at them and just couldn't get the walleye to bite. Got some pike, snagged that carp. Still a good day, and then started just running bottom bouncers because I felt like we were marking them on the side scan, and it worked. Started hitting some walleye, so that's what the plan is today. We're gonna run through the arm with some bottom bouncers again and see what happens. Last night we stayed at Hidden Gem Campground. It's located right next to Edders. Nice big lots of parking for boats and stuff. They got good power there. 50 amp. No washrooms right now. They are in the process of building like a washroom, and I think there's gonna be some laundry and stuff there too apparently. So once that's all done, I'd say perfect place. But yeah, we're, instead of launching at Edders today, we figured there was no point driving down the main lake for no reason. We're just gonna drive to the boat launch at Triple T and load in here and get going. So stay tuned and see what happens. You can keep yours in. There might be more. I'm feeling walleye-ish.
Walleye-ish.
Walleye-ish. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah. It's a decent one. Here, I might just stop the motor here for a second. That should be okay. Not that big. harder with gloves on. There. It's a decent little one.
There you go.
That'd be a good eater.
Good for you.
Well, the game plan's working out so far. That didn't take long.
No.
Alright, so what we're doing is we got into the arm, and yesterday we tried to pinpoint them, cast on them, didn't have any luck. For what we're seeing on the side scan, they're scattered everywhere through here. So we decided to cover some ground, throw some spinners out, and it's working. So that's the plan today, until it doesn't work.
Sure.
That's shaking like a walleye. We might need the net. This one's looking
Okay.
half decent. I can probably. Here, you keep. Oh, yeah, that's a decent one.
It is. What am I doing wrong compared to you, man?
A lucky horseshoe, maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
Nice, probably 21-ish, maybe? This will be a smaller one. Not like tiny, but small-ish. Huh? Maybe. Guess we'll see.
Oh, you want the net?
Ah, I'll get her. Got a little fight to it. Oh, there we go. Fair to say that one was ready to go. That's probably about another 20-21er. So, little tidbit, after you catch a fish, it's always good to give the net a little rinse just in case it's got any skin disease, then you're not spreading it. Just gotta kick the leeches over more often. Another walleye, hey? That's a decent looking one. That'll be over 20. Nice. Come on, get your tail out. There you go.
There we go.
Good catch, man. Well, this is fun now. Hey?
It always is, regardless.
It's a little more fun now.
Yeah.
There, doesn't get much more Saskatchewan than this. Fishing and seeding. Well, we hit a few showers today. We're a little wet, a little chilled, but still out here. Tail's hooked up again. move up front, I can hook her from the back here. Oh, it's pike. Or yeah, walleye. Pike. It's not a water wolf.
Got it. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. You got your leech? You got it or he got it?
I got it back.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. Out over 20. Nice. Oh, look at that pile of bait.
Oh my.
Kind of show you what we're looking at here. We're hitting these little bait plumes, and then you can see fish popped off to the side there and the side there. And that's kind of what we're looking for. We're just kind of finding when we troll through them, we are getting hits. And if we stop getting hits, we're gonna find them and start casting into them, but that's what's up. Cruising through a few fish. This side scan's been the key for today.
Yeah, I think, yeah.
I mean, a guy could just cruise around and, you know, you eventually go through them. That's essentially what we're doing, but it sure helps when you can see those, you know, little bait pods and fish kind of stacked around them. You know, they're eating. Did you get a nip there? Yeah, they are off your side, so. Decent walleye. I can get her. Oh, so used, like I always fish by myself, so. Oh, might be the biggest one of the day so far. Gonna get wet here soon too. Look at you before I throw you back. Oh, there's the rain. Yep, we're gonna get wet here, Dale. Oh, another like 20-ish. Got some bite though. Another good quality fish. Yeah. Only 22 again. I think we'll be out of leeches before 4 o'clock.
That's a good thing though.
Oh, that was a pike, wasn't it? That hit hard like a pike. got marked like a pike. This one's got some kick to it. Okay, you can hit it again. Oh, this one's a good one. Yeah. One. Are you like a 24? 22. Oh! Yeah. Oh, I held him. It was caught. Here, I'll shut the motor off. It seems like a good one, hey? Half decent. There were some big marks there. What are friends for? Oh yeah, it's a nice thick one. Bit of a walleye.
Oh my goodness!
That was the first time I've had that happen.
All right.
It's a nice healthy walleye. Feels pretty heavy. If you just hand that to me, I should be able to. Thank you. Okay, I'll shut the motor off then.
Oh, I lost him.
Uh-oh. Well, apparently. Yeah, got the hook out at least. nice long one. It's got some length.
So,
Thanks for being patient in the net. There you go.
thought we were gonna have a double header.
That would have been a nice way to end it, hey?
Yeah.
All right, Dale, that's it. How was it?
Awesome. Yeah.
Little wet?
Weather could have been better, but the fish were there though.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah.
Got a few. Had a fun time. Till next time.